What are acorns? Acorns allow you to invest spare change using their roundup system, which rounds up all the purchases you make on your debit card to the nearest dollar. For socially responsible investing, Stash allows you to invest in companies that support causes you're interested in, like green energy, tech, and more. Overall, Acorns is a fantastic way to get started in the investing world and build a portfolio without dealing with the headache that can come with HR. Once you get started, use these strategies to maximize your use of the app, and you'll see your money really start to grow. Acorns Invest, the only micro-investing account that allows you to invest spare change. Can be set up in under 5 minutes and automatically add money to your diversified portfolio. Acorns later an easy, automated way to save for retirement. We recommend an IRA plan, then update it regularly to match your goals. Get started in under a minute and join more than 250,000 Acorns later investors. Start investing with Acorns today. Get $5 when you use my invite link.